Hi everyone, I'm Akash, and today I would like to share my experience about the online LinkedIn profile building workshop, which was held by Mr. GS Kumar. So the workshop was very insightful and it was very practical. What I particularly appreciated was the hands-on guidance which Sir provided on improving my LinkedIn social selling index score. And the introduction to tools such as resume worded also helped me identify the particular aspects of my profile which I might have otherwise overlooked. And the practical strategies and resources which he shared taught me how to build a professional presence which would stand out from the crowd. I would highly recommend Mr. GS Kumar's LinkedIn training to students who are looking to improve their LinkedIn profiles, strengthen their professional presence, and also make better use of LinkedIn for their career growth. Thank you.